right. When we talk about moderate to vigorous physical activity levels, are we in it now? When we talk about moderate to vigorous physical activity levels in PE programs, have we met the minimum for what our class should be in PE? What do we think? Everyone's always like, yeah, we have. If we say that our job is to keep them in there for at least 10 minutes, and best case scenario is 20 minutes, we're not even close. We're 9 minutes in. And so this is what I want you to think about as educators, is when you're designing your lessons for your students, and listen, I get it, you're outside, it is hot, students don't shower after class, but if we want to do them a service, which is what our job is, to get their heart rates into this zone and keep it there, this is what all of your classes should be, not just dance. Are you creating and designing lessons and using strategies that allow maximum participation and engagement and minimize standing in line and sitting around listening to instruction? And that's what this little break is about, because we're about to do a basketball theme song, and I needed you to recover a little bit before we take it up a notch. And just consider that thought. Start low and go a little higher. Tiny little basketball. Starting with the other hand. We're still got those fundamental movements for the sport. Switch hands, let's go. You got it. Take a basketball, pass it to someone, catch it, run around, pass, catch, look at him in the eye, pass, catch, run around, across the gym, find someone, pass, catch, run, find, catch someone's ball, run. Everybody face the front. How fast can you go with your feet? Ready? Shuffle forward, everybody.